In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Notion with Apple Calendar, step by step. This is perfect if you manage tasks, projects, or schedules inside Notion and want them to automatically appear in your Apple Calendar so everything stays in sync. This setup is especially useful for productivity, time blocking, and making sure you never miss an important deadline. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the database or table that contains your tasks or events. This can be a project tracker, a task list, or any database where you're tracking dates. Once you're inside the table, look at the top of the database and click on Add New View. This allows you to create a different way of viewing the same information without changing your data. From the View options, select Calendar. This converts your table into a calendar layout, where each item is placed based on its date property. Make sure your database has a date field set up, because this is what Notion will use to sync events properly. After switching to the calendar view, look toward the top right corner of the calendar. Here, click on the Manage option in the calendar settings. This opens additional controls related to calendar connections and sharing. Inside the Manage menu, you'll see an option that allows you to connect your Notion calendar externally. Go ahead and click on Continue with Apple. At this point, Notion will redirect you to the Notion calendar website, where you'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. Log in using the Apple account connected to your Apple Calendar. Carefully review the permissions that Notion is requesting, then approve the connection so Notion can access and sync your calendar data. Once the connection is complete, your Notion calendar will begin syncing with Apple Calendar automatically. Any events or tasks with dates in your Notion calendar will now appear in Apple Calendar, and updates will stay aligned going forward. This means when you add or change events in Notion, they'll reflect in Apple Calendar, helping you manage your schedule seamlessly across devices. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check Apple Calendar to confirm the events are showing correctly. If you don't see them right away, give it a few minutes to sync, or try refreshing the Calendar app. And that's it. You've successfully synced Notion with Apple Calendar and streamlined your workflow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion, Apple, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.